Today we will prepare Idiyappam or string hoppers. We will need 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of ragi or millet flour, 1 teaspoon of oil, salt to taste, and hot water. First, we will mix the rice flour, millet flour, and the oil. Add salt according to your taste and mix well. And then add hot water a little at a time, making sure that the mixture doesn't become too wet. Mix well and then knead it into a soft dough. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, roast 2 cardamom pods and some cashew nuts. But here I used peanuts. You can also use other nuts like walnuts or pistachios. Toasted sesame seeds would also taste good. Slightly grind the nuts and the cardamom, which we will use later for the toppings. It's just my preference, so I tried blowing off the peanut skin, but you can always leave them alone with the nuts. That's totally fine and more nutritious. After resting the dough, make small logs out of the dough and oil the noodle press and idli pans or ramekins where you will steam the string hoppers. Steam the string hoppers for 10 to 12 minutes. You can make savory idiyappams by serving it with coconut-based gravies like sari, but this time we will be preparing a sweet one. Slightly break the string hoppers and top with the grated coconut, nuts, and jaggery or sugar. I have to admit that this is not as fluffy as the ones I tasted in Sri Lanka, but it was still soft and more nutritious because of the millet.